Second day, guys. Second day na tayo. Morning.
Naglalagay kasi kami ng harang. Kasi yung isang alaga namin, yung babae si Lola, tumatakas sa gabi. Ayan. Okay. Nawala siya. May ganyan siya kasi yung alaga namin siya. Wait. You're still sleeping.
Food. Hi. Ayan. Pwede kang mag-ano ng bread sa eye or sunny side up. Egg din ito eh. Egg. What's this? Yeah. And here, what do we have here? Pizza. Oh, they have pancake. And we have also here a cheese salad. Salads, cheese. Just potato. Fish, raw fish. I don't know what they call it. Tapos, meron din bread dito. Ay, may egg! And the salads. Salad. And fruits. And some cakes. Yan, okay na yan. Yan, Pilipino si ate. Thank you. Kuha tayo ng cheese. Okay. It's okay. Yan ang aming mga alaga. Okay, espresso. Yeah, this is for our Lola. Black coffee. And this is cappuccino. Yan na, guys. Ito naman yung aking for me. Ayan, may nilagay na pizza ang kasama ko. Ayan ang akin. Yeah, tapos na ang aking alaga. Let's eat. Try natin to. Oh, guys, sobrang init. Parang nasa Pinas. Yan. Oh, di ba? Oh. May basura. Rega. Ayan. Ayun na ang Dead Sea. Oh, di ba? Talagang mangingitim kami. Geda. Geda. Takot umitim si Lola nyo. Kasi sobrang init, guys. May kulay. Ayan yung mga stores dito, guys. Ayan, may mga socks. What? Yeah, you can check there. Ah, hello. Hello. Cute.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. You can see, you can look.
It's good.
Ayan, Croc. Ayan pa, mga shoes. Puro na lang slipper shoes.
Like this one. Like one. And the pants also is the same.
Oh, they have. It's 50.
What?
50 shekel, yun eh. This one.
No, but they don't have a set of what?
Ah, look, Sama. It has slit.
Yeah. Oh wow, I want to buy.
Try it. Wait. So guys, maganda. What? I don't know. Tsaka to. I like this. Ayan pa ang mga 3 for 100 moisturizing foot cream.
Close pa yung mga iba. Mga slippers pa naman dito. Tapos dito, puro sila. Dead Sea product. J cream. 2 for 150. May mga slippers. Ang cute. No, it's, I don't know to you. Ikaw yung susuot. Ikaw magsusuot.
Guys, ang ganda nito, oh. Pero 399 siya, may gulay. Ang mahal.
No, that is very hard.
399. Why? Yeah. Do you want to check? To look? Oh, so cute. Ay, how cute. How much is this? 80.
80?
Yeah. Which?
Pink. That's fine.
Yeah, this one. How much is this?
190.
Yeah. Nasaan na yung price mo? Ay. 199, my gulay.
200.
Yeah. May mga shorts sila. As you can see. Ay, ang cute. 129, guys. Yeah. May mga shorts sila.
Then take it for your son.
Oh, I can buy it there. Mga slippers.
How much?
Cute. I like this.
Oh yeah, the color is good. But how
It's
much
soft.
is it? 79.
You want?
Yeah.
Then buy it. For me, I like that.
Me too.
Yeah. Hi.
79 can buy. Because if I wear it, it
Yan,
will open.
kukunin niya na yon. How much?
So 75.
75. Yan, may mga t-shirt pa dito. 59 shekel, 0.90. May mga cups. 49.90. And then these shorts. How much? 149.90. Yan. May mga ano rin sila. Jersey shorts, jersey tops, shorts. Yan, ibabayad din kasama ko, guys. Yeah. Makatawa. Ay, ang cute. Ang cute ng mga bag. Guys. Yan, may mga luggage din. Kapag, nagkulang yung mga space nyo. Yan, mga bags and luggages. May mga beauty products din dito, guys. Blush pop.
ना बोधू बाजेर बोधू बडी जुत्ता छ बोधू बाजेसँग बिचमा हामी चाहिँ मलमा आफ्नो सामान किन्नु छ कि
May Crocs sila dito. Wow, cute. How much is it?
I don't know.
Do you want to buy it?
more money. That's the problem.
No, we can use my credit card and then we can ask.
No, you are not elderly competitor.
I don't know. Because I don't know if Ita is there.
So if you will order that there, where you want to take it.
Ayan guys. Tapos na kami mag-picture-picture. Sobrang init. Nasa room na kami ulit guys. Sobrang init sa labas. Okay, it's already lunchtime and we don't have food here, so we ordered the food. So abangan nyo na lang guys kung ano yung mga in-order namin na food. Kay Lolo. Ayan yung aming hotel. Punta tayo doon sa isang alaga ko guys. Ayan, haggard na guys. Dito na tayo sa kanilang room. I don't know. Ayan na guys, dumating na yung Ken. Yung aming okay.
This is smoked salmon. So, this is the one. This is soup. Okay.
Okay.
Cold coffee, souffle with ice cream.
Okay.
And this is
Ayan guys, ang ating food. Tada! Ano to? The salmon. Ayan, the salmon. And then, oh, this is lot. Later.
You can buy something here at the pool. It's all the same and you don't order to deliver.
It's already here. Tell.
Time has taken his credit card to the lobby to drop things to the room. I will
Okay. Guys, dito, tingnan natin. What's inside? Like this. Ayan siya. Smoked salmon. No? It's good.
Yeah.
Iced coffee. Try natin. Sarap din siya. Ayan ang view. Ayun guys, punta muna kami sa kwarto namin. Kasi ang ingay ni lolo ko. Ayan, we're here again. Ay. Pasintabi sa aming kwarto, nakalat-kalat dahil sa aming mga alaga. Taba. Hello guys. May binigay ang ating hotel. Chocolates. Let's try this. Look at that. Alright. We can try this. We can try the white chocolate. That's good.
Yeah.
Good. Ayan guys. Meron tayong noodles with dumplings and rice, beef, salad, and vegetables. Let's eat. Ayan guys. Let's open to buy chocolate. 25 shekel siya guys. Let's try it.
Mr. Hilamos. Di ba naman ako ng toothbrush eh. Kaya okay lang. Boop. Sarap siya. Yeah. Masarap naman siya eh, guys. Ano, sobrang tamis lang talaga. Siyempre, chocolate nga eh. Chocolate nga ni, ayan oh. Meron siya sa loob. Pero hindi ko ito uubusan. Hindi ko uubusan itong matutulog nga lang eh. Okay guys. That's all for today. See you guys tomorrow. I want to share pala yung aking serum from Snail White. I'm going to put the link at the comment section. Kung gusto nyong bumili, diba? Maganda to guys. Babush! See you tomorrow!